Hi, this video is for applied business math, looking to solve linear programming problems using Microsoft Excel. So pull yourself open a nice blank Excel spreadsheet, and from our MyMathLab course, look for Learning Tools. It should be found under the Video and Resource Library on the left, and select the Excel Spreadsheet Manual for Applied Mathematics under the Technology and Support heading. This opens up a document that covers different things Microsoft Excel can do from our textbook. We need page 40 of this PDF. You should see a heading of maximization. So we're going to use the problem suggested here to maximize Z subject to these constraints. And we're going to use Excel's solver to do that. So you've got our instructions here kind of outlined. These instructions are very useful for if you have Microsoft Excel actually installed on your machine. If you're using the Outlook version, I'll show that in this video. So we need to enter our objective function. And that objective function is called Z. I'll come back to filling in exactly what Z is defined as. Then we will have some constraints, right? We saw a few constraints there, constraints. We had a first constraint and a second constraint. And going back to the problem for just a moment, we've got these x bigger than or equal to 0, y bigger than or equal to 0. I do not need to include separate lines for those. And then we need a place for our decision, what are the x and y values. So decision and an answer for x and an answer for y. Okay, so let's define our objective function. So we are going to enter into the function box above an equal sign first to define the that it is a formula 8x plus 12y. So 8 times at using an asterisk, and then selecting cell B9 to tell it x plus 12y, so 12 asterisk y, but instead of typing y, we select the cell B10 and just hit enter. A 0 should appear because we don't have any values for x or y at this time. We're going to do something similar for our constraints, entering the left-hand side of the constraints. Those constraints were 40x plus 80y is less than or equal to 560, so we need an equal sign, 40 times x plus 80 times y, 80 times our box for y, box B10. Hit enter, should have a 0 appear there. We'll worry about the 560 after. And then our second constraint, 6x plus 8y is less than or equal to 72. So we'll have our equal sign to define a formula, 6x, 6 times our box B9 plus 8y, 8 times box B10, enter. Again, we have zeros in both places. Now that we have defined the formulas for those constraints and the objective function, we need to use our solver add-on. And if you've used it previously, you should see solver show up at the bottom. If you have not, you'll go into the add-ons, search for the solver add-on. And now we need to tell the function tell the solver what we are working with. So our objective function, select the blank box there, and click our Z definition formula in box B2. And we are looking to maximize in this example. Let's just quick double check. Yes, maximize Z. So maximizing, we're all set with our objective function. Tell it what our variables are. I'm going to click in that blank box there and select box B9, add, and select box B10, add. Then we need to address our constraints. So select the left-hand side. We've got our first constraint defined in box B5. It should be that 40x plus 80y is less than or equal to, and the right-hand side 560, add. Then our second constraint is box B6, which is 6x plus 8y is less than or equal to 72, add. And then we need to also address that x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. So we will select box B9 for x and make that greater than or equal to 0 and add that. And then last time for y, box B10 is greater than or equal to 0 and add. Now that we've entered all the constraints in the objective function and the variables, we can hit play up at the corner, allow our solver to think, and we have our solution. We have a maximization of 100, where x is 8 and y is 3. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if there's anything else you need assistance with.